The cast of the CW Riverdale is full of fresh-faced actors and actresses. Fans are dying to get to know about their favorite cast members' life partners. KJ Apa as Archie Andrews. Kennedy James Fitzgerald Apa is a New Zealand actor, singer, and musician. Born on the June 17, 1997, in Auckland, New Zealand, KJ is currently dating French model Clara Berry. KJ recently announced that he is going to be a dad. He announced the news on Instagram, sharing a photo with his girlfriend Clara Berry, where her growing stomach is very visible. KJ and Clara have been dating for over a year now. Cole Sprouse as Jughead Jones. Born on the 4th of August 1992 in Arezzo, Italy, Cole was dating Lily Reinhardt, but they broke up in March 2020. It seems like he has moved on. He was recently spotted with Canadian model Ari Fumier. Lily Reinhardt as Betty Cooper. She is known for portraying Betty Cooper on the CW teen drama series Riverdale and Annabelle in Lawrence Cafaria's black comedy crime drama film. Born on the 13th of September 1996 in Cleveland, Ohio, she won Teen Choice Award for Choice Lip Lock, and she also wrote a book, Swimming Lessons. In the past, Lily Reinhardt was dating her Riverdale co-star Cole, but they broke up. Recently, Lily came out as bisexual. She is currently single. Camilla Mendes as Veronica Lodge. Born on June 29, 1994 in Charlottesville, Virginia, Camilla has been dating fashion photographer and model Grayson Vaughn. Recently, Camilla posted a picture, two of them kissing before flying to Vancouver to film season 5 of Riverdale. In the past, Camilla was dating Charles Melton, but they broke up in 2019. Madeleine Petsch as Cherry Blossom. Madeleine Grobelaar-Petsch is an American actress and YouTuber. Born on the 18th of August 1994 in Washington, United States. She broke up with musician Travis Mills after 3 years of dating. They started dating after Travis messaged Madeleine on Facebook congratulating her on Riverdale's season success. After chatting on Facebook, the two went to watch a movie together. After 2 initial dates, they started dating. Casey Cott as Kevin Keller. Born on the 8th of August 1992 in Chagrin Falls, Ohio, United States, Casey recently uploaded a photo on Instagram showing that he proposed to her girlfriend. Unfortunately, we don't know the name of Casey's fiancée, but congratulations to both of them. Vanessa Morgan as Tony Topaz. She is known for her roles as Beatrix Bird Castro in the MTV teen drama series Finding Carter as Amanda Pierce. Born on the 23rd of March 1992 in Ottawa, Canada. Married to Michael Kopech since 2020. She is married to Michael Talbot Kopech, a baseball pitcher. They got married in 2020, but recently, Vanessa's husband, Michael, has filed for a divorce after only 6 months of marriage, according to the Chicago Tribune. Currently, Vanessa is pregnant with her first child. People have confirmed that Michael is the father, but he was not present during gender reveal party. Skeet Ulrich as F.P. Jones. Skeet Ulrich is best known for his roles in popular 1990s films as Billy Loomis in Scream and Chris Hooker in The Craft. Born on the 20th of January 1970 in Lynchburg, Virginia, United States. Skeet Ulrich is engaged to 25-year-old model Megan Blake. Madchen Elena Amick as Alice Cooper. She is known for her starring role as Shelley Johnson on the cult television series Twin Peaks. Born on the 12th of December 1970 in Sparks, Nevada, United States. She's been married to David Alexis since 1992. Charles Michael Melton as Reggie Mantle. He is known for his roles as Reggie Mantle on the CW television series Riverdale and Daniel Bay in the film The Sun Is Also a Star. Born on the 4th of January 1991 in Juneau, Alaska, United States. He used to date Camilla Mendes too, but they broke up. Marisol Nichols as Hermione Lodge. Marisol Nichols is an American actress known for her roles as Nadia Yassir on the Fox series 24. Born on the 2nd of November 1973 in Rogers Park, Illinois, United States. Marisol Nichols is married to Taron Lexton since 2008. Mark Consuelos as Hiram Lodge. Mark Andrew Consuelos is an American actor. He is best known for his portrayal of Mateo Santos on the ABC soap opera All My Children. Born on the 30th of March 1970 in Zaragoza, Spain. He is married to Kelly Ripa since 1996. Martin Cummins as Tom Keller. Martin Cummins is a Canadian actor known for his role as Ames White in Dark Angel and in Poltergeist: The Legacy. Born on the 28th November 1969 in North Delta, Canada. He is married to Kristen Wallace since 2013. Molly Ringwald as Mary Andrews. Born on the 18th of February 1968 in Roseville, California, United States. Molly also wrote a book titled When It Happens to You, a novel in stories. She has been married to Panyo Giannopoulos since 2007. Jordan Connor as Sweet Pea. Born on 17 September 1991 in Calgary, Canada. He is engaged to his longtime girlfriend Ginjara Mitchell. Natalie Bolt as Penelope Blossom. Bolt is a South African actress known in the country for her role as Joey Ortleb in the SABC3 soap opera Is Dingo from 2001 to 2004. Born on the 19th of July 1973 in South Africa. She has been married to Phil Bolt since 2000. Drew Ray Tanner as Fangs Fogarty. Drew Ray Tanner is a Canadian actor best known for his role as Fangs Fogarty on Riverdale. Born on the 12th of February 1992 in Victoria, Canada. Drew Ray Tanner is currently dating Jasmine Vega. They are together since 2020. Jasmine Vega is an actress known for Chilling Adventures of Sabrina